I'd request Dr. V. Premlatha of University of Tirupati to come on the stage.
First, I wish to thank Professor Sanjay ji for giving me this opportunity to share my experiences for the past 3 days regarding this seminar. It gives me immense pleasure to be here in Kolkata. I think in my childhood I have come just for a 2-day trip. I was not aware of any place by then, so officially I have learned little about Kolkata during my trip now. The international seminar on creating and teaching of music patterns, the theme itself is very, very inspiring, and to the best of my knowledge, what all the sessions I attended, I can tell you that no paper or no presentation went deviated. They didn't deviate from the theme. So thanks to the organizer, the director of the seminar, who took care that he was from the beginning, when he checked about the abstracts, the themes, the papers, and we were all into the same groove, and we were all concentrated, and all the presentation were, they all directed only in one direction. We were all looking forward for one theme. That was the main highlight of the seminar. And it was a pleasant session for the past 3 days. I feel that Professor Ji had invited all of us, and we all are traveling in a train where he is the driver. He took us for a ride for the 3 days, and now supplying us tea, coffee, food and everything, and also good music in the evenings. And now it's time that he says, yes, that station has come, please get on, you have to go to your places. We feel very bad. This is from my heart, I'm telling you that we feel bad that we have to depart now. And the presentations made by the scholars across the world, though they all depicted different music systems and cultures, they all were again meant for the same cause. I really remember the very first presentation by Professor Mickey, where he made us to sing, he made us to dance, and he made us to play. And that was a very encouraging and enthusiastic. The first session, that got a very good kick. It looked like the first ball in a cricket match was a sixer. That was an excellent. We will never forget, sir. Thank you very much. And regarding the other presentations, we were lucky enough to listen to some, and I have just got 2 or 3 suggestions which, if possible, sir might look into. Number 1, since we were not able to attend to many of the sessions, it would be nice if the proceedings contain the English translation of the Bengali papers, because I attended one, I don't know Bengali, I attended to one session, I understood the theme or what they try to say, but not technically the exact thing. So I thought if an English translation of the Bengali and the Hindi papers are also supplied, it would be useful for people like me. Number 2, we were inspired by many presentations, but we were not in a position to place our questions or our comments or share our thoughts at that time, since we were running out of time. So if a list of scholars who present, there is already a list of scholars with their titles of papers. If an email ID is also provided in the website, and that is a highlight, is very good updating of the website from the day 1. So that each and everything till day before yesterday we were able to see and get it updated from the website. So if an email ID and phone numbers or whatever contacts available, if it is provided, in future we can also contact them probably on the same subject, which we could not do it in this 20-minute or the 15-minute session, that we can continue, so that we will be happy with what we could not do it now. And this seminar has given me a lot of motivation, as sir was also telling. I wish that from my university, I should also join my team in my university to organize a similar kind of a gathering and invite you all to Venkateshwara University, Tirupati. And I wish you all to meet you there soon. Thank you.
try that. I can say.